Okay, BTR gearbox testing. Pressure solenoid, I use PWM, can't test that one. So these on and off solenoids, this is off BTR gearbox. These can be tested. All you need is a syringe that fits over the top, nice and snugly. That's the right size. So what you do, so this one's also the right size. It's a 20mm really big syringe. So what you do is you cut off that end, so you're left with something like this. This end goes on to here. Push it on really tight and you can pressure test it. That one's a bit leaky. Test another one. That one holds pressure. Oop, popped off. See that one? It holds pressure. I'm pushing down really hard on that. That's good. That one's good. Same thing again. That one, it's got a bit of resistance, but it's leaking. I'm pushing down pretty hard. Last one. That one's got no pressure at all. That one's completely leaking. So you can try and clean them out with, I don't know, a bit of detergent or something. Might come back to life, but anyway, that's how you test them. Simple. So even if you measure the resistance across here, these are all good resistance. And sometimes you shake them, you can hear it click. But this one I can hear it click. So this one, resistance is good. Ooh, popped off. This one's got pretty good pressure. This one's got good pressure. You can hear the needle valve. It's got a bit of movement in it. So that one's good. The other three need to be cleaned out. The needle valve isn't sticking properly. So there you go. Oh, the other thing you can do is, it's a bit harder to do, but while you've got this under pressure, wrong one. Anyway, while you've got it under pressure, I don't know which one was good. While you've got it under pressure, if you've got 4 hands, you can turn it on and it'll let the pressure go through. Anyway, that's how you test the BTR gearbox solenoids. Leak test, simple as.